Hello everyone! Welcome back to Prime Product Plus. If you've been following my previous videos, you know we've covered different diet plans, including the keto meal plan. Today we're diving into another popular approach, the smoothie diet for weight loss. The smoothie diet involves swapping 2 of your regular meals each day with nutrient-packed smoothies. This method is designed to help you shed those extra pounds while ensuring you still get essential nutrients. If you're looking for a convenient and tasty way to lose weight, this might be the right fit for you. But how does the smoothie diet actually help you lose weight? Well, first and foremost, smoothies can be a fantastic way to control your calorie intake. By replacing 2 meals with carefully crafted smoothies, you're more likely to consume fewer calories than you would with traditional meals. Beyond just calories, smoothies are a powerhouse of nutrients. They can be loaded with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients not only support your overall health, but can also help keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the temptation to snack on less healthy options throughout the day. Additionally, the ingredients often found in smoothies, like fruits, vegetables, and protein sources, can help boost your metabolism. A faster metabolism means your body burns more calories even at rest, which is excellent news for those on a weight loss journey. One of the key benefits is the convenience of smoothies. They're quick to make, easy to carry, and can be a practical solution for those with busy schedules. Plus, the controlled portion sizes in a smoothie make it easier to stick to a calorie-restricted diet without the hassle of counting every calorie. Now, the principles of this program are outlined in the ebook called The Smoothie Diet. This ebook serves as your guide, providing valuable insights, recipes, and a structured plan to make your smoothie diet journey effective and enjoyable. Curious about the price? Well, I have exciting news for you. The Smoothie Diet ebook is currently available at a discounted price of $37 instead of the usual $47. Yes, that's right, a 10% discount for those ready to take a step towards a healthier lifestyle. You can find the link to purchase the discounted ebook in the description below. If you're ready to embark on the smoothie diet and want to join this program at a special discounted rate, simply click the link in the description below. It'll take you to the official website where you can learn more about the program and claim your 10% discount. Don't miss out on this opportunity. So there you have it, a closer look at how the smoothie diet can aid in weight loss. If you're intrigued and want to give it a try at a discounted rate, check out the Smoothie Diet ebook. And if you're ready to join, the link with the 10% discount is in the description below. As always, remember that a balanced and sustainable approach to diet and nutrition is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.